What are you doing today for us?
Today I'm going to be making a vegan pavlova. So it's made using chickpea water, which is aquafaba, which is an amazing egg replacement. So I'm going to whisk it for 8 minutes till stiff pizza form. Add the sugar now. Put it on high and add a tablespoon at a time. And we're going to add in the cream of tartar and vanilla paste. So this goes in. The cream of tartar acts as your stabilizer. So we don't want the pavlovas to flop when they're in the oven. So you can see it's thick and it's glossy and it falls over. So I'm going to separate them into 3 bowls. The reason I'm doing this is I'm adding a superfood booster, just to make a marble effect, and also because of the health benefits, because why not? So I have moringa powder. Just gonna plop that in. I have cacao, and I have berry boost. So I'm just gonna mix it. So we have a grease cook tray. I have preheated the oven to 100 degrees. So this is gonna go on for about 3 hours. I know it's a long time to wait, but essentially it needs time to dry out. So just like your meringue would, you need to allow it time to dry out. So I have my berry. And I'm just gonna swirl it with my spoon. We just wanna create a round. It doesn't have to be a perfect round, as you can see, mine is a bit off. But the idea is to have something that you can top with cream and berries and just go all out with. So this is going to go into the oven for about 3 hours at 100 degrees. Okay, so these meringues have been baked for 3 hours. Now I'm going to do them 3 ways. So I'm just gonna put some onto the pavlova. Don't be afraid to use the sauce. The more the better. And then we're gonna throw in some kiwi and some of our tin fruit, like that. So we're just gonna put a little flour. So this is the one that I've folded in berry booster. Also gonna do the same thing. Just put some coconut cream and then sauce. For me, I love presentation, so it might take a bit long, but I always get there. Cream. Okay, so now our chocolate sauce goes on the top. And just look at that. That is amazing. I think for every chocolate fan out there that's vegan and finds it so hard to eat what they want without having so many restrictions, this will be like the perfect treat for them. And plus it's healthy. Definitely healthy. And now this are chocolate chips. And just because I like flowers. Okay, so that's vegan pavlova 3 ways.